Starting with the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Dear students, today we are going to start the textbook of English for grade 9th, and today we are going to study the first unit of this book, which is Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the model of tolerance. Before we get started to reading this chapter, all the students, you must have a pen or pencil with yourself in order to write down the meaning of words in Urdu and in English. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that today we will just read the first paragraph of this chapter. I will read it in English. First of all, I will read it in English so that you can understand the pronunciation of words. Then I will explain it in English with English meaning of the words, and then in Urdu with the Urdu meaning of the words. Okay, let's start. Before reading, let's have a look on this mind map which is given on the top of this page. It means in this chapter we are going to study these characteristics of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and the characteristics are Rahmatan lil Alameen, justice, humanity, patience, Sadiq and Amin. On the top, one verse of the Holy Quran from Surah Al-Baqarah is written. This verse is from Surah Al-Baqarah and verse number is 153. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. By tolerance, we mean a fair and objective attitude towards those whose lifestyle differ from ours. Tolerance is a virtue which enables a person to forbear the attitude, negative remarks, and action with patience and calmness. The life of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a superb example of tolerance. It is his tolerance that let him forgive his worst enemies. Truly, he is an epitome of tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. The Holy Quran describes him as Rahmatan lil Alameen, a mercy unto the whole mankind and the universe. Now, I am going to explain it for you in English with English meaning of the difficult words. First of all, we will write the meaning in English. O you who have believed, those who have believed in Allah. Seek means try to find out. Help through patience. Patience means the quality of not losing one's temper while waiting. And prayer. Indeed, no doubt, Allah is with the patient. The verse is written in Arabic. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu sta'inu bis sabri was salah. Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. By tolerance. Tolerance means the ability of acceptance of the beliefs of others and the opinions of others. We mean a fair. Fair means a decent and adequate. And objective attitude. Objective means impartial. Attitude, state of mind towards those whose lifestyle means the way of living, differs from ours. It means the ability of accepting others with their beliefs, whose way of living is different from us, is an adequate and impartial attitude. Tolerance is the virtue. Virtue means good moral conduct or quality, which enables mean to make somebody able, a person to forbear mean tolerate, the attitude, state of mind, negative remarks mean painful remarks, views or thinking, and action mean activity, with patience and calmness. Patience means the quality of not losing one's temper while waiting, and calmness means the state of being silent. Tolerance is a virtue which enables a person to forbear the attitude, negative remarks, and action with patience and calmness. It means the ability of accepting others is a quality which makes somebody able to tolerate the negative state of mind, painful remarks, and activities of other people. The life of Holy Prophet ﷺ is a superb mean magnificent example of tolerance. The life of Holy Prophet ﷺ is a magnificent example of tolerance. It is his tolerance that let him forgive his worst enemies, most harmful or severe enemies, a hostile force. This quality of Holy Prophet ﷺ led him to give pardon to his most painful or severe hostile force. Truly, he is an epitome. Epitome means a perfect example of something, of tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. Compassion means a feeling of sympathy. It means, in a real sense, the Holy Prophet ﷺ is a perfect example of tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. The Holy Quran describes him as Rahmatal lil Alameen, a mercy unto the whole mankind and the universe. That's why the Holy Quran represents the Holy Prophet ﷺ is Rahmatul lil Alameen. A mercy unto the whole mankind and universe means a blessing for all human beings and the universe. Now, I am going to explain it in Urdu with Urdu meanings for you. The Urdu translation of this ayat is, "Ay Iman walo, believed Iman walo, seek, chahna, help through patience, sabr, prayer, namaz, indeed, beshak. Oh, you have believed, Ay Iman walo, seek help through patience and prayer. نماز اور صبر سے اللہ کی مدد چاہو. Indeed, بے شک, اللہ is with the patient, اللہ صبر کرنے والوں کے ساتھ ہے. By tolerance mean برداشت. We mean a fair mean مناسب, an objective attitude, غیر جانبدار رویہ towards those whose lifestyle mean tarz zindagi differ from ours. By tolerance we mean a fair and objective attitude towards those whose lifestyle differ from ours. برداشت کا مطلب ایک مناسب اور غیر جانبدار رویہ ان لوگوں کے لیے جن کا طرز زندگی ہم سے مختلف ہے. ٹالرنس از دا ورچو نیکی اچھائی which enables mean قابل بنانا. A person to forbear برداشت کرنا. The attitude رویہ negative remarks منفی سوچ خیالات and action اور عمل with patience and calmness خاموشی کے ساتھ. Patience صبر. Tolerance is a virtue برداشت ایک اچھائی ہے which enables a person to forbear جو کہ ایک انسان کو اس قابل بناتی ہے کہ وہ برداشت کر سکے. the attitude وہ رویے کو negative remarks منفی تاثرات یا خیالات کو and action اور عمل کو with patience and calmness صبر کے ساتھ اور خاموشی کے ساتھ. برداشت ایک انسان کو اس قابل بناتی ہے کہ وہ صبر اور خاموشی کے ساتھ برداشت کر سکے دوسروں کے رویے منفی تاثرات خیالات سوچ یا عمل کو. The life of Holy Prophet صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم is a superb عمدہ بہترین example مثال of tolerance. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کی زندگی برداشت کی عمدہ مثال ہے. It is his tolerance یہ آپ کی برداشت ہی تھی that let him کہ جس کی وجہ سے forgive his worst enemy آپ نے اپنے worst بدترین enemies دشمن آپ نے اپنے بدترین دشمنوں کو بھی معاف کر دیا. forgive معاف کر دیا. truly he is an epitome of tolerance در حقیقت حقیقی طور پہ epitome بہترین مثال در حقیقت آپ برداشت کی بہترین مثال ہیں. forgiveness معاف کر دینے کی درگزر کرنے کی بہترین مثال ہیں. patience صبر کی بہترین مثال ہیں. and compassion اور رحم دلی کی بہترین مثال ہے. The Holy Quran describes him as رحمت للعالمین. describes بیان کرنا. ہولی قرآن مجید آپ کو رحمت للعالمین بیان کرتا ہے. A mercy unto the whole mankind and universe آپ تمام بنی نوع انسانوں کے لیے اور کل کائنات کے لیے رحمت للعالمین ہیں مہربان ہیں. Now students we are going to look at in the exercise that if there is any question that we can solve from this first paragraph. Yes, the first question is what does the Quran say about tolerance? Yes, we can answer this question from first paragraph that we have studied just. In this paragraph, as you can see, the very first line is a verse from the Holy Quran. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. The Holy Quran says about tolerance. O you, this is the answer of first question. The Holy Quran says about the tolerance. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. It shows that Islam emphasizes on tolerance, which is the key to peace and order in the society. So this was the whole for the day. Now in next lecture we are going to study the next paragraph of this chapter. So till then, take care. Goodbye.